In this video, I'll walk you through a quick overview of the DataGOL platform and how everything fits together. If you look at most modern data stacks today, they're made up of a lot of separate tools. You might have a warehouse for storage, dbt for transformations, Airflow for orchestration, and then a BI tool for dashboards. And you also might have some separate AI tools layered on top. Before long, you're managing 5 or 6 different systems just to answer basic business questions. DataGOL is able to consolidate this into a single platform. The easiest way to understand the platform is through 3 layers. You have agents, then workspaces, and then the Lakehouse. Let's start at the top, agents. Agents are how you interact with your data in DataGOL. Instead of writing SQL or manually building dashboards, you can ask questions in natural language and the agents handle the rest. For example, you have the data conversation agent, which allows you to ask questions about your datasets and automatically generates the SQL needed to answer them. The chart agent can instantly turn those results into visualizations. We also have Dave, the data analysis and visualization engineer, which can generate deeper analysis, charts, and dashboards from your data. And for more advanced use cases, there's also the data science agent, which can run statistical analysis and more complex data modeling directly on your datasets. Let me show you a quick example of this. I'm going to open the chart agent, and here I can simply select the data source. And now I might ask something like, show me a bar chart of revenue every month. The agent is going to query the dataset, generate the chart, and return the visualization automatically without needing to manually configure anything. This makes it much easier for users to quickly explore their data, but these agents aren't just chat interfaces. They're actually powered by structured datasets and workflows that live underneath them. That layer is the workspace layer. Workspaces are where analysis and data applications come together. This is where users can explore datasets, build dashboards, and create the analytical environments that agents operate within. Inside of a workspace, you can build interactive dashboards, which allow teams to monitor metrics, explore trends, and share insights across the organization. DataGOL also includes a visualizer, which makes it easy to create charts. The visualizer makes it really easy to create charts and visualize analysis from on top of your datasets without needing a separate BI tool. Another powerful feature inside the workspaces is the documents section. This is where you can bring in unstructured data like PDFs, reports, or internal documentation, and these documents can then be used for RAG, Retrieval Augmented Generation. This allows agents to search and reason over both structured and unstructured data together. You can also embed dashboards directly into your own applications or platform using the embed setting. This allows teams to surface analytics inside customer-facing products, internal portals, or other software environments. So workspaces become the place where data, analysis, and dashboards and knowledge all come together. But the actual data infrastructure and the pipelines that are powering these workspaces live one layer deeper. That layer is going to be the Lakehouse. The DataGOL Lakehouse is the foundation of the entire platform. This is where you connect your data sources, build pipelines, and orchestrate workflows, as well as manage transformations. DataGOL includes a growing set of data connectors, allowing you to easily integrate data from external systems like SaaS platforms, databases, and APIs. Once that data is connected, you can then build data pipelines directly inside of the playground, which acts as a flexible environment for creating and managing data workflows. Traditionally, companies would need multiple tools for this layer. You might use dbt for transformations or Airflow for orchestration, while managing infrastructure separately in a warehouse or a data lake. Inside of DataGOL, all of that exists directly inside of the Lakehouse. The platform also includes a built-in orchestration system that combines ideas from tools like dbt and Airflow. It supports automatic downstream dependency recognition, similar to dbt. So when one dataset changes, anything that depends on it also is automatically understood. And it also allows you to chain together pipelines and workflows, similar to Airflow, so you can build a complete end-to-end data process. This means that your data ingestion, transformation, orchestration, pipelines, and storage all live in one integrated layer. The Lakehouse powers the workspaces, and the workspaces power the agents. So when you take a step back, the DataGOL platform is actually built around 3 core layers: agents, workspaces, and the Lakehouse. Agents is where users interact with data using AI. Workspaces are where analysis, dashboards, visualizations, and knowledge live. And then the Lakehouse is where data sources, pipelines, transformations, and orchestration happen. And by bringing all of these layers together, DataGOL is effectively able to consolidate the modern data stack. You don't need separate transformation tools like dbt or external orchestration systems like Airflow, and you don't need multiple disconnected analytics platforms. Everything runs inside of DataGOL, and it makes it much easier for teams to build, analyze, and interact with their data.